Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about letter M, the sound of letter M and few words that starts with letter M. This is a capital M. This is a capital M. This is a lowercase m. This is a lowercase m. The sound of letter M is M. The sound of letter M is M. So, come let's see few words that starts with letter M. M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. M for mouse. Mouse. M for mouse. M for mango. Mango. M for mango. M for milk. Milk. M for milk. M for map. Map. M for map. M for moon. Moon. M for moon. M for man. Man. M for man. M for mushroom. Mushroom. M for mushroom. M for mask. Mask. M for mask. M for mouth. Mouth. M for mouth. Come, let's see it again. M for monkey. M for mouse. M for mango. M for milk. M for map. M for moon. M for man. M for mushroom. M for mouth. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.